When you're out on a camping trip, having a fire is very important. You can use it for food, for light, and to stay warm. But what if you've lost your matches and you don't have any paper? What are you going to do? Well, if you have one of these long, you're all set. This is the Fire Lite fire starting kit, sold under the SOL label. That stands for Survive Outdoors Longer. This prepackaged kit includes all the items shown here. You get a small bag containing 20 individual tinder quicks. There's 10 feet of utility grade tinder cord, a micro sparker, and a waterproof gear bag to store everything in. The main components of this fire starting system is the sparker and the tinder quick. The sparker, you just rotate this little wheel and it shoots out these sparks. And the tinder quick is a flammable material, and you just kind of peel away the ends here to expose the fibers. And then with the sparker, you ignite the fibers and get your fire going. Now I don't have any paper. I just have some dry pine needles, so those should burn nicely. So let's just show you how this works. So here's the tinder quick. I've just peeled away the top here to expose some of these fibers. Apparently this will work even if it's wet. And with the sparker here, if you just rotate that, shoot sparks out the side. So the idea is to aim the sparks at the tinder quick here. And there, it gets burning. Then you can add this to your fire that you've pre-built with some pine needles. And that tinder quick is supposed to burn for up to 3 minutes. You just add little pieces of wood there until things get going. So as you can see, that seems to work pretty good. Didn't take much effort at all. Once your fire starts, of course, you could just keep adding a few smaller sticks. And as it gets bigger, you can move to the bigger pieces of wood. But a quick and easy way to get a fire going when you don't have any matches. Also supplied with this fire starting kit is 10 feet of paracord. Now, you can use this, of course, to tie things up and secure things, but being a fire starting kit, it also has its use. You see, if you peel away the outer nylon shell, inside you'll find a wax cotton inner core, which you can also use as a fire starter.